If you watch this whole video, this cute indication will make you wealthier than your neighbor. We're going to provide the sophisticated pro method for using the MACD indicator to quickly generate millions of dollars. Please click the link in the description to see our earlier video, in which we go over the fundamentals of utilizing MACD. Let's begin our voyage, where you will use the power of money to make your partner happy. For pro traders, you can't only depend on basic crossing strategies if you want to increase your earnings using the MACD. Keep in mind that crossovers usually only function in trending markets. In this case, the market is in a range, therefore the indicator will give you a lot of false signals. Because of this, I advise using a more sophisticated version of the approach that combines price action and the MACD in order to boost the win rate. This is how the tactic functions. Selecting a time period is the first step. In this instance, I'm selecting a 4-hour time window. Next, within this time span, choose a critical level. We can draw a resistance line up here because, as you can see, the price moved up, hit, and then reverted downward. Waiting for the price to reapproach the same critical level is the next stage. We anticipate a downward price reversal when this occurs. However, since critical levels aren't magical and prices may always break through them, just because the price hits one doesn't mean a reversal will occur. Because of this, we want further confirmation, which is provided by the MACD indicator, to make sure that there is real downward momentum when the price approaches this region. Before entering a short position, the majority of traders wait for the MACD to cross over downward. But in doing so, you would be entering late and the negative trend would already have occurred. I have a hidden method where I zoom in on the 2 time frames below to acquire an earlier entrance signal. Let's zoom in on the 2-hour chart because I'm now on the 4-hour one. We watch for the MACD to cross over downward in this new, shorter time period on the 2-hour chart. Here's where you want to place yourself short. Let's examine the 2 entry signals on the 4-hour chart once again. Looking back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that if you had entered the trade here using the crossover from the 2-hour time frame, you would have entered here using the crossover from the 4-hour time frame. The smaller time frame crossing provided us with an earlier entry signal, even though both trades turned out to be successful in the end. You may apply high win rate MACD techniques immediately, as I just showed to you. In exchange, I just ask that you take 2 seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It simply requires 2 clicks, yet it has great meaning for me. You are welcome to see my other videos as well. I appreciate you viewing, and I hope to see you in the next video.